Installation of temperature and flow control KRY series equipment. Temperature environment, -1040 degrees Celsius. Humidity environment, less than or equal to 85%. Altitude conditions, less than or equal to 1000 m. Indoor use, limited water drop, and dust protection, IP55. Power supply conditions, the maximum voltage deviation is rated voltage plus or minus 5%. The maximum frequency deviation is rated frequency plus or minus 0.2 Hz. There is no shielding within 50 centimeters around the equipment. Place it on a slope with a slope of less than or equal to 5 degrees. Fix the wheels. The front must face the aisle so that it can be handled quickly in case of an emergency. The ground must be clean and non-slip. It is recommended to place basic firefighting facilities such as dry powder/dry ice/sand next to the equipment. When configuring metal insulation hoses and other pipelines by yourself, you should carefully refer to their pressure and overpressure capacity, caliber, and temperature range. The interface of the same medium circulation pipeline adopts the principle of bottom in and top out, or right in and left out. The pipeline connection should be as short as possible to reduce bends. Water-cooled equipment needs to install cooling water, and it is recommended to use clean tap water at normal temperature. Air-cooled equipment has high environmental requirements to ensure air circulation and heat dissipation around the equipment. The circulating medium uses ethylene glycol aqueous solution. The stable temperature range in the liquid state should include the temperature control range of this equipment, and a certain margin should be reserved. Open the cover of the filling port, connect the filling pump to the power supply, and start adding liquid. Enter the main control window and click the Empty and Add Liquid button. The internal circulation pump of the equipment starts running and the liquid level drops. At this time, the filling pump continues to replenish the circulating liquid until the pipeline is emptied and the liquid level no longer drops and is maintained at about 1/3 of the liquid level. The pump can be stopped for filling. Finally, close the filling port and overflow port, and the equipment can be operated.